We knew Kiptum for a very short time, but within that period, he had done amazing. A world record holder who never even stayed or lived to enjoy his exploits. It's so sad. To Athletics Kenya, poleni sana, we are crying together.
Our sportsmen that they are going to be part and parcel of this team, that the only tribute we are going to give to our brother, our champion, our legend, Kiptum, is to make sure that we go for, when we go to Paris, every medal that we will be participating in, we make sure we get, in his honor, we bring those medals.
He was a real superstar whose career was on a spectacular upward trajectory. To keep the memory of Kelvin Kiptum alive and support his family and community, Golazo is launching the Kelvin Kiptum Foundation, and I'm sure the CEO of Golazo will come and talk about that a little bit later. And the fund will predominantly provide continued financial support for education and infrastructure.
As your star started to shine brightly, you also wanted to light the lamp for others. Your passion and dedication to providing education for young and needy children without anybody knowing was just one example. A true testament that you were also an exceptional human being.
To say Kelvin Kiptum was a special athlete would be an understatement. Today is a moment of both remembrance and celebrate, and yet we believe Kelvin would have his eyes set on the future, leading us from the front, which was his signature race tactic.
Kelvin, you will be missed. Our grief and sadness will take time to dissipate. Rest assured, your achievements are treasured, indelible, and secure in the annals of our history and never ever forgotten. May you rest in peace.